Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie, and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today we're making bitter melon and egg stir-fry. Without further ado, let's get started. First, let's prep our bitter melon. Cut it in half, scoop out those seeds, and slice it into beautiful half moons. Think of it as giving our bitter melon a little makeover. Then finally chop about 10 grams of green onions. These little guys are gonna be our flavor confetti. Now for our egg mixture. Crack 4 eggs into a bowl, add 3 grams of salt, a sprinkle of white pepper, and 5 grams of sesame oil. Give it all a good whisk. We want these eggs partying together. Heat up 15 milliliters of oil in your wok until it's nice and hot. Pour in our egg mixture and gently stir over low heat. We're looking for soft, fluffy scrambled eggs, like little clouds of sunshine. Once they're just set, scoop them out and set aside. Add another 15 milliliters of oil to our wok. Toss in those chopped green onions. Listen to that sizzle. Now in goes our bitter melon slices. Keep everything moving in the wok. It's like they're doing a little stir-fry dance. Season with 6 grams of salt. Let the bitter melon get to know all these flavors. Now bring back our fluffy eggs. Sprinkle in most of those green onions and give everything one final toss. And there you have it. Our bitter melon and egg stir-fry is ready to serve. Friends, you must try our bitter melon and egg stir-fry. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.